ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? नहीं, ऐसा हो कैसे सकता है? हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल?
नहीं वो फोन तो था ही नहीं ना यार, तो फोन पे कैसे कर
नो
सकते
मोबाइल फोन्स, नो जीपीएस, नो डिजिटल फुटप्रिंट.
मैं मेलबर्न में था
हाँ जी।
तो आई गॉट दिस जो आमिर खान का कट था ना,
दिल चाहता है वाला।
दिल चाहता है
हाँ
वाला,
जी।
वो मैं उससे पहले कर चुका था क्योंकि मैं मेलबर्न में था. मैं वही कट लेके इधर आया इंडिया वापस जब, तो उन्होंने बोला आमिर खान कॉपी कर रहे हो. बहुत गुस्सा आता था.
I'm gonna answer after my seniors.
स्मार्ट गाय.
क्रिएटिव लिबर्टी एक होती है, ट्रू स्टोरी टेलिंग होती है. एक लाइन थोड़ी सी उसमें ब्लर हो जाती है टू मेक इट पैलेटेबल फॉर द ऑडियंस. हाउ मच ऑफ दैट लाइन हैज बीन ब्लर्ड ओवर हियर, और how 100% real it is?
Fortunately or unfortunately, he loves saying that. Fortunately or unfortunately, there's not
Yeah, because
much.
you never know, man, whether it is.
There's not much.
fortunate or unfortunate.
Barring Shersha, where I actually played a guy who I met, who was on set while I was playing him. It was a little weird.
His eyes narrow down.
Yes,
His
yes.
eye-
There was a,
he's
I felt
like-
it was like comedy role करने के बाद देख. What's the most difficult role you picked up till now as an actor?
ये एक्टर की लाइफ भी है ये.
Yeah.
कि it can very much become possible.
हाँ.
You know, the difficult can become possible. Impossible will take a little longer. And I asked Nagesh sir, I said, "This is it. It's just what kind of investigation is this? He's just coming to see the huge blood spot, or what is it? Like, how do I?"
Let me do it. I'll manage. You know, is this what you're talking about?
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. Everybody जो हमें देख रहे हैं इस वक्त, जो हमें सुन भी रहे हैं. A new show is out on Sony Live, The Hunt, the Rajiv Gandhi assassination case. We've got the gentlemen who are part of this brilliant show. मैंने थोड़े episodes देख लिए हैं. Fantastic. Nagesh, thank you so much for joining me. Abhijit, thank you so much for joining me. Sahil, thank you very much for joining us on the show. I'm going to quickly ask you all एक word में what you think about this. The word that describes The Hunt, आपके साथ.
I'm gonna answer after my seniors here.
स्मार्ट गाय.
Stop के बाहर वाली गेंद आपने छोड़ दी. बहुत अच्छा.
छोड़ दी.
अच्छा, आप बताइए आपके लिए.
I have to go with Sivarasan. I know I'm picking the obvious choice, but arguably one of the most enigmatic assassins of all time. Shafiq Mustafa, who actually plays Sivarasan, this demure small man who just shook the nation.
Very close. The casting.
Yeah, casting by
Oh my, इसकी तो बात चर्चा हम आगे करेंगे सर. आपके लिए one character that wanted.
The show is about Sivarasan. So, yeah, him. Yeah.
I would say the other Black Tigress, Athirai.
Yeah, she too. Yeah.
oh Atire.
Because the
Interesting.
conversation that we,
Oh, you already seen.
yeah,
A pivotal scene.
the conversation that followed her arrest was not like any other interrogation.
Censor board or online trolling?
Oh, I'll take the censor board any day. Yeah, because I can sit across 4 people and have a conversation and say,
Discourse हो सकता है.
yeah, कि जो आप कह रहे हैं वो सही नहीं. Come on, give me a card. कुछ तो rational होता है. Online trolling is just nasty to another level. Cowards hiding in basements and sending stuff.
I think I'll go with what Nagesh bhai just said. Yeah.
I haven't dealt with either,
Either.
but I would still choose online trolls. The comments are funny.
During while you guys were shooting, there are many aspects of history. जैसा आप एक real life story कर रहे हैं, that get erased, some get blurred. कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती हैं जो आपको पता चलती हैं. Any fact or any piece that shocked you while shooting?
Two actually. मतलब relatively I knew about this incident because I was like 16 or something when this happened, and I vividly remember what the country felt and what everybody felt and the whole conversations around it. There is a scene where when I visit the place where this happened, and I asked Nagesh sir, I said, "This is it? It's just what kind of investigation is this? He's just coming to see the huge blood spot, or what is it? Like, how do I portray the enormity of it? You know, what has happened." So, but then you have to go in thoda internal and replay the whole thing that might have happened, you know, there, and in the aftermath of it, and it hits you. It really hits you. You know, then it hits you. Oh shit! This must have happened. People blown to pieces, things thrown around, and all that. So that hit me, and just the fact that these guys had no help from the non-existent technology then.
Yes.
There was nothing to their aid. absolutely nothing. The things that we take for granted right now, at present, they had nothing, and they still managed to crack it in 90 days with so much pressure on top of their head and so much weight on their shoulders. So these are things that, when you into it, they start hitting you, you know, gradually. We were discussing something, and in my head, it flashed कि नहीं वो फोन तो था ही नहीं ना यार, तो फोन पे कैसे कर सकते
No
हैं?
mobile phones, no GPS, no digital footprint, no social media. Trunk calls भी आपको लाइन लगानी पड़ती थी, तब बुक होता था.
और वो मैनुअल स्विच बोर्ड्स.
Correct.
You had the PCO booths at that time. Yeah.
Can't just pick up the phone and call ISD.
Yeah.
Is that what they used to
Yes,
call it?
ISD.
ISD.
Yeah.
You can't just pick up the phone and you have to book it.
Yeah.
Had to.
Yeah.
Had to book it.
And I remember it took, how much time did it take you had to book for a phone, a landline phone, and it would take certain months
Yes.
to come get connected in your
Yeah.
house.
To actually get a connection.
Yes.
Yeah.
तभी सब पड़ोसी आके करते
जी,
हैं.
जी.
आपका फोन आया
हाँ,
है.
हाँ, आपका जो पहला एपिसोड में एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लाइन आपकी जो सीनियर आपसे पूछ रहे हैं, इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट जॉब इन द कंट्री राइट नाउ, वी वांट टू टेक इट, एंड आप बोलते यस सर टेक इट. व्हाट्स द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट रोल यू पिक्ड अप टिल नाउ?
I've never attached any difficulty on portraying anything. Challenging, yes, and that is why you do what you do. But difficulty, no. I mean, वो अपना line भी है ना सर इसमें.
I'll tell you that line. चलो, difficult is possible, impossible to take a bit longer. क्या लाइन थी?
हाँ, तो बस यही है. ये एक्टर की लाइफ भी यही है.
Yeah.
कि it can very much become possible.
हाँ.
You know, the difficult can become possible. Impossible will take a little longer. If you invest enough time and patience and you know, value, attach value to it, I think everything is possible. You know?
Beautifully put. Now, I guess for me, you know, I picked up certain nuances from the show. Like, for example, जब आप इंटरोगेशन करते हैं, I forgot the name of the character. वो एक रेनॉल्ड्स पेन से लिखता है. वो जो 90s में आता था, व्हाइट और ब्लू वाली पेन. It takes me back to the days of the 90s.
405.
Correct. और फिर उसके बाद वो जेल पेन में आ गया, वो जेल पेन का दौर. लेकिन वो 90s में जो वो पेन, जब एक पार्ट आता है, आई थिंक सेकंड एपिसोड में, जब गाड़ी पार्क करते हो, बाइक पार्क करते हो, उस तरह की साइकिल है जिसके हैंडल्स बेंट है.
Rooster model.
यस सर. और जो पार्क होती है बाइक, वो है हीरो होंडा CD100. 1985 में आई थी और मेरे पापा के पास वो फर्स्ट बाइक थी. इट वाज अ स्टेटस सिंबल फॉर मी, सो इमीडिएटली आई कनेक्टेड कि यार डैड की फर्स्ट बाइक एंड द CD100. ऑल्सो द स्विच बोर्ड्स दैट आई सॉ, जब आपका जो इंटरोगेशन बोर्ड था, बड़े 90s के घरों का वो स्विच बोर्ड है, वो व्हाइट स्विच बोर्ड जिसपे थोड़े से दाग लगे हुए हैं विद दोस ब्राउन बटन्स, वो वाले. सो यू हैव टेकन केयर ऑफ सच small detail. Eye for detail over here was brilliant. Tell me, in terms of research work, what goes about when you're researching a project like this? Yes, there's a book, 90 days, but what more?
Well, every time you're going to adapt something that's true crime, you face this immense challenge because it's all not everything, but it's an account of someone having been there or someone having heard. So you can take the research only up to a certain point. Now, things that you pointed out with the artwork, with the production design, everyone who's ever going to step into a period piece will bust their ass, make sure that they get that right. Those small details.
90s में एक prejudice हुआ करता था कि अगर आप बोर्डिंग स्कूल जाते हैं तो आपके पेरेंट्स आपको पसंद नहीं करते. वो एक छोटा सा एक prejudice था जो आपने completely turn कर दिया. I said, wow, can life actually exist like this? So for cinema like that, then for me, Iqbal was another turning point in my life, 2004, 2005. And हैदराबाद ब्लूज मैंने बहुत बाद में देखी, क्योंकि तब मेरे मॉम ने कहा था कि तुम्हें अभी समझ में नहीं आएगी पिक्चर, थोड़ा रुक जाओ, थोड़ा बड़े हो जाओ, फिर तुम्हें I will let you watch the film and you will enjoy it. So great cinema all these years, from Rockford to now The Hunt. What a beautiful journey it's been for you.
It has, and the most amazing part of this journey is every couple of years I get to live a new reality, invest myself in a new world, because I try and pick projects that I've never done before. And with The Hunt, it was just a great experience to delve into true crime.
ट्रू क्राइम. एंड जब आप कोई ट्रू क्राइम शो करते हैं, मैं आप सबसे पूछना चाहूंगा, व्हेन यू डू अ ट्रू क्राइम शो, ऐसा होता है कि क्रिएटिव लिबर्टी एक होती है, ट्रू स्टोरी टेलिंग होती है.
Correct.
एक लाइन थोड़ी सी उसमें ब्लर हो जाती है टू मेक इट पैलेटेबल फॉर द ऑडियंस. हाउ मच ऑफ दैट लाइन हैज बीन ब्लर्ड ओवर हियर, और how 100% real it is?
I wouldn't know because this is my first. Being there, I didn't you want to talk about that line. I didn't see any line. For me, everything was real because I've never played a part who was so real. Barring Shersha, where I actually played a guy who I met, who was on set while I was playing him. It was a little weird. But here, we only heard a lot from Nagesh sir when he would tell us about this person, SP Amit Verma. And these things that he would say to us, they would sound like legends. You know, he used to be like this. You know, he did that once. You know, he used to be like this guy. And you are sitting there like a child listening to those stories and imagining this person and building him up in your mind. And then you go out there and you have to be him.
You got to translate that
Yeah.
text or that story into action.
Yes. And fortunately or unfortunately, he loves saying that. Fortunately or unfortunately, there's not
Yeah, because
much.
you never know, man, whether it is
There's not
fortunate
much.
or unfortunate.
There's not much available about SP Amit Verma on the internet, which is probably the first go-to material for people in
For a
our day and
reference
age.
point or a reference
When
check.
you get to know that yes, now I'm going to have to play this part, and now let's read up on this person. There are 4 lines written about him in an article somewhere, and there are 4 lines somewhere else in a bigger article. That's about it.
Now, when you actually sit down to write a scene about that, I had a couple of 2 co-writers with me. Is how do you actually put words into characters, even like the ones they play? What are the words you put? I hope this is the way he spoke. I hope these words are not offensive. I mean, every small thing. So that becomes a very cumbersome process. Enjoyable, but cumbersome. And let's see. I hope we landed on the correct side of history.
That's what I mean when I say what line are you talking about?
You know, but I'll tell you one line that you said was very interesting. जब भी आप अपने सीनियर से बात करते हैं, आप मैंने आपको इस इंटरव्यू से पहले भी कहा ना कि आपके चेहरे पर एक सर्टेन सेंस ऑफ ही इज डिलीवरिंग समथिंग, आपको कोई डायलॉग बोल रहे हैं, बड़े खुश है क्योंकि उनको मालूम है बड़े असर्टिव तरीके से आपको बोल रहे हैं और कॉन्फिडेंट है. There was a smile of I could see you smile through your dialogue.
Yeah, his eyes narrow down.
Yes.
His
Yes.
eye-
There was a,
he's
I felt
like-
it was like comedy roll करने के बाद देख ये करता हूँ मैं.
Pseudo smug. I know what I'm doing.
Yes, yes. Dude, I felt it. I don't know if I'm reading too much into it, लेकिन I felt it.
No, it was given. It was given to me by Nagesh sir. He said you're selling the idea to Karthikeyan and you're saying ki let me do it. I'll manage. You know, is this what you're talking about?
Yes.
See, now it comes naturally.
आपने 90 days book पढ़ी है?
बाद में पढ़नी शुरू की ना.
हाँ.
Once we were like कि ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? Then we were informed that this is being adapted from a book called 90 Days. In conversation it came out. यार ये तो पढ़नी पड़ेगी.
बड़ी
Ordered
meticulous
one.
book है.
Yeah.
बहुत डिटेल में लिखा गया है, हर एक जो चीज हुई है वहाँ पे. Any other book, sir, for you that you recommend? Like for me, I loved Hussain Zaidi Saab's Dongri to Dubai. I love that book. It's a beautiful book. It gives you, it literally puts pictures in front of you. Any other book that you recommend?
George Orwell's 1984 is one of my all-time favorites. The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy.
Which one?
The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy.
Hitchhiker.
Douglas
nice
Adams. Yeah. I don't know. I'm now reading the Game of Thrones, the entire series.
Wow.
I'm on book 4. It's like one of those immensely awesome novels. I mean, I can't even talk about everything that Stephen King has written. Is just a work of art.
Go and read up. In my opinion, read up a little bit about the Sri Lanka court. थोड़ा सा, मतलब आपको 2 मिनट लगेंगे. इसके बाद में आप थोड़ा सा पढ़ लेंगे. 2 लाइन 4 लाइन पढ़ लेंगे. ये आपको और रास आएगा देखने पूरा सीरीज, मजा आ जाएगा because you will understand certain very important details as to why events unfolded. Eventually, we'll get it through the series and through the show. Thank you so much, gentlemen. I'm going to keep the remaining episodes for the weekend so that I can just go and binge watch it. But great show, sir.
Thank you.
Great work. And bhai, your personal smug. I don't know how I caught it, but it felt real. It felt like
I'm glad you did. I'm so glad.
मुझे मजा आया.
Thank
मैं
you.
खुश हूँ देख.
Thank you.
So thank you very much and
Thank you.
all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks again.